Your experience starts even before entering our doors. Take advantage of our complimentary airport shuttle or complimentary self and valet parking. Offering everything from free parking to a bowling alley, a business center to a full-service spa, we anticipate your every need here at Hotel Blackhawk. Now this majestic landmark reopens with a something old something new approach to hospitality and a fresh new focus on modern amenities and rich decor. Relax in richness while enjoying the stylish setting of this new lobby while reading a book or working on your iPad. Resplendent from a multi-million-dollar renovation, the Hotel Blackhawk again reigns supreme as the Grand Dame of Davenport, Iowa. Since it first opened in 1915, the hotel has served as a home away from home for romantics, presidents, movie stars, and legendary athletes alike. Our beautiful renovated guest rooms feature dramatic earth tones of deep browns, classic tans and dark sky blues, luxury bedding, a flat-panel TV with HBO, well-lit desk, high-speed internet access, minibar, safe, and a flat-screen LCD TV built into the bathroom mirror. Our comfortable king guest rooms features luxury bedding, convenient minibar selections, a bathroom mirror TV, a flat-panel TV, well-lit work desk, high-speed internet access, and some offers spectacular views of Davenport. Enjoy all the comforts of home in our most luxurious suite. Our two-bedroom suite features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a full kitchen, separate living area, large screen TV, in-room washer, dryer, and spectacular views of downtown Davenport and the Mississippi River. Enjoy the extra space with a full kitchen and the convenience of a separate bedroom with king-size bed in our junior suite. Relax in the contemporary setting of Figge's Bistro, located on the first floor of the hotel. This Bistro offers great food that is prepared simply and freshly. Enjoy live music, appetizers and cocktails at Figge's Lounge. It is a perfect retreat after a day of meetings or sightseeing. Our 24-hour state-of-the-art fitness center features the latest cardio equipment, multi-station resistance training machine, free weights, mats, and plenty of floor space to accommodate your daily fitness ritual. Pamper yourself in a contemporary atmosphere with a touch of glam at the spa at Hotel Blackhawk. This state-of-the-art spa and salon offers a wide and indulgent menu of services guaranteed to make your stay even better. The crown jewel of the Hotel Blackhawk, the Gold Room has been historically known for elegant events since 1915, having hosted musicians like Guy Lombardo and Stan Kenton. Also referred to as the wing of the Gold Room, the Davenport Room features windows overlooking the RiverCenter and 3rd Street. Designed to comfortably accommodate smaller meetings, the Moline and Rock Island boardrooms set a stylish stage for the business at hand. perched atop the hotel sits Club Davenport, which boasts the best views in town of the mighty Mississippi and downtown Davenport. This space's flexibility and sophistication make it a savvy choice for more intimate meetings, reception and parties.